Welcome to this video tutorial to the Waveform Library. The Waveform Library is a free, cloud-based application containing many thousands of waveforms uploaded by the global PicoScope Automotive user community. With it, you can easily upload and back up your own waveforms from your PC, search for and load waveforms uploaded by other users, and download your own waveforms when working on a different PC. The Waveform Library's main purpose is to act as a source of reference waveforms when other references or descriptions are unavailable. On those occasions, a known good or bad reference waveform from the library can be the only way to successfully identify the fault and make a correct diagnosis, making it an invaluable resource. The Waveform Library actually consists of several software features, including Waveform Manager, Waveform Favorites, and Waveform Sharing. Those features will be covered in other videos. In this video, we will focus on searching for waveforms, loading waveforms into the PicoScope software, saving and uploading, and the My Waveforms area. Section 1. Accessing the library. Ensure you have the PicoScope Automotive software open and a suitable PicoScope connected to the software. Now click the Waveform Library icon. You will now be asked to log in. Enter your Pico Automotive forum, username and password in the respective fields. And then click Login. Section 2. Waveform Search. When you have successfully logged into the Waveform Library, you will immediately see the search panel and results view. Anytime you perform a search, an updated list of results are returned in the results view. The results are grouped into pages, which helps the Waveform Library return waveform information to you more quickly. You can scroll up and down the returned list of results using your touch or mouse interface. By default, without any search filters, all waveforms are returned, along with the total number of results returned at the top of the view. The detailed information associated with each returned waveform detail are the vehicle details, the test conditions, the channel labels, their status, and any channel comments, as well as a snapshot of the waveform, any test notes, the waveform ID, and the contributor. At the top of the results view, you can select whether to arrange the returned waveforms in a list view or a grid view. You can also select the number of waveforms you want per returned page, and you can jump between pages to more quickly gain access a potentially interesting waveform. The search panel provides many different options for filtering the waveforms, including searching by the VIN, vehicle make and model, powertrain type, a number of cylinders, the transmission type, and vehicle year. You can also search for waveforms based on a specific waveform ID or specific channel labels and statuses, etc. To add an additional channel label to your search, click the plus sign and select another label from the list. Each drop-down list has autocomplete and will suggest options as you type. You can use the arrow and enter keys to select a returned option. Alternatively, you can use your touch or mouse interface to scroll down the list of options. To reset an entered value, click the cross in the right-hand corner of the field. To clear all your search filters and start again, click the Clear button. Section 3. Loading waveforms. The Waveform Library provides two methods of loading data into PicoScope. To load all information and waveforms, click the Open button to the top right corner of each waveform set of details. After the data has been loaded, your PicoScope software will be fully configured using all the information stored with the waveform. To load only a reference waveform on one PicoScope channel and no other setup data, click the load link next to the relevant channel's information. In this way, you can create a reference waveform in PicoScope from any one or all of the waveform's channel data. Section 4. Saving and uploading waveforms. The most direct way to back up and share your waveforms with the Waveform Library is to use the Save and Upload feature within PicoScope. You can use this feature after opening a previously saved waveform in PicoScope or after you have captured new waveforms. To upload your data to the Waveform Library, you must complete all fields marked with an asterisk. The Save and Upload button will remain inactive until this information is complete. Once the required data is complete, click Save and Upload to upload your waveform. The Waveform Library shows the upload progress in the Waveform Uploads list. When successful, the uploaded file name is shown with a green tick next to it. If the upload is unsuccessful, for example, the data is already present in the Waveform Library. A red cross will be shown next to the waveform's file name. In addition, a red dot appears by the Waveform Uploads icon to indicate the upload has failed. You can click Retry Uploads from within the Waveform Uploads view if you think the upload failed due to a connectivity error. Alternatively, click Clear Failed to clear the list. Section 5. My Waveforms. All your uploaded waveforms can be viewed in the Waveform Library's My Waveform view, accessible using the icon below the search icon. Your waveform details are shown in the same way as in the search view, but with the difference that you can edit or delete your own waveforms. To edit a waveform's data, because it is missing or incorrect, click on the edit icon represented by the pencil to the right of the waveform's details. You can add or update any item of waveform data, apart from the waveform's measurement data. When required data is missing, the data field's borders, hint text, and instruction message will be highlighted in red. Click Save to save or Cancel to ignore your changes. Your changes will be lost if you click Cancel. After clicking Save, your changes will be saved. To delete one of your waveforms, click on the bin icon towards the bottom right of the waveform's details. When clicked, a dialog appears asking you to confirm why you want to delete it with a delete button. Click the delete button to confirm the deletion. That concludes our overview of the Waveform Library feature. We hope you'll join the Pico community and share your waveforms on the library, and in turn, benefit from the invaluable reference information it provides, as well as its ability to freely store your waveforms so you can have access to them on other PCs. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.